All right, so I really like the size of this one. This is actually really small. This is an EverBrite headlamp. You can get power in right here via USB-C. It comes with a USB-C cable. It's adjustable on your head, of course, with a nice band. And I really like the simplicity of not knowing some crazy sequence of events to figure out what mode you're in. So this has 7 different modes. You see it has a white light and a red light and a green light. This would definitely be something good for if you're running, running outside. You can have that red light or green light, whatever you want. You can have it on your back, you can have it going forward, and you can also blink it, sorry. I'm gonna put it all on down the basement. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look over here. So we've got green, obviously on, a little bit brighter, pretty much like a dim moonlight setting. Red, probably really good for running. Having that blinking would probably be good for behind you if you're running, if we're riding a bike outside. So yeah, plenty of light really to do anything you need to do outside, working on a car, doing whatever you need to do. You can rotate this down, it's adjustable. And I really like the size of it. I just like that it's small. It's not big, it's not up there. It would probably just disappear on your head. So I welcome the simplicity and the size of this thing. And I think the brightness, it's not the brightest headlamp out there, but I think it gives you enough light. I mean, if I needed to do something down here, I could do it. And my basement's a mess.